Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we're going to be replacing the thermostat or the temperature sensor in a 2010 Toyota Corolla. This is for these years right here on the screen, and if you guys do want to pick up the part, they have it on Amazon. You guys can pick it up. It's quick and easy shipping to your house. Get it at your house in no time at all. But we're going to go ahead and replace this. It's a really easy process, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the temperature sensor is actually in the front bumper or behind the front bumper, and this lower grill, you can kind of see it right there. It's actually that entire part where the wire comes off to the right. That is it, and then it even hooks into that little base piece right there. So the best way to get to it, I know a lot of people will pop out the whole front grill, but I'm actually going to go from the underside. There's some plastic panels we can just like unhook and then just be able to flex that down, reach up in there. And we're going to go ahead and pop that off. There's little tabs on the bottom, and then obviously unplug it, and then we could swap it out. And the part is very simple and basic. That's pretty much it right there. So as you can kind of see, it sits with that little tab hooked into the bottom, and then it plugs in right on this driver's side. So we're going to go ahead and remove the little clips on the underside of the front bumper. So what we're going to do is come under here, and as you can see, there's a series of like little clips. I'm not going to go across the entire bottom. I'm probably just going to take out maybe this one, maybe this little 10 millimeter right here, and we might need to remove one more down, so maybe 3 max, and then I'll be able to kind of flex this down and reach up in there. I might only be able to do just this one, but we will see. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and start off with that pin that's like directly underneath where the sensor is going to be, and they actually have these little pry tools that are made for pins and stuff. I'm going to have a link in the description down below for this as well. But also, if you guys do need to replace these little pins and clips, I also have links for those, because I have like a little box you can get on Amazon. It's like super cheap, and you get like a ton of different sizes for projects like this. But there we go. That is popped out. Now let's see if we can... Yeah, that actually flexes enough that we should be able to reach, yeah, I can definitely reach the sensor from here. So all you have to do is just remove that one, and most people actually don't even have this cover because it's broken off over the years, but in my case, I do have it still. So let me go ahead and change the camera angle so we can see the part. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and reach up underneath here, and there's little tabs right here I'm gonna push in, and that'll pop that piece right up. So now we go ahead and push the little button tab here on the top, and we go ahead and pull this apart. I'm actually going to need both hands for that. So let's go ahead and try to get that unhooked here. All right, boom, there we go. We got the old one off. So there it is right there. Now we can go ahead and take the brand new one and stick it on in its place. So let's go ahead and do that right now. We'll just take that. There we go, we hear it click. And then we're gonna go ahead and just set it right up in place. There we go. Now it is in place, and just like that, we are done. If this video helped you guys out, make sure you go down and hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I have a lot more videos coming with this Corolla. I know this is a super quick and easy video, but there's a lot of stuff that's a little bit more complicated that I do have a bunch of how-tos for, especially ones I've already done and some to come. So make sure you stay tuned for all those. Like I said, if you want to pick up any of these parts and tools I use in this video, there's going to be links in the description down below for all kinds of stuff, even some upcoming projects for this that you might even need. So if you guys did like the video, like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.